Okay, so here's the first mod that I ordered for the M4. Let's open it up and see what it is, because I actually ordered two things, so I'm not sure which one this is. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, that's nice. They go on the front fangs of the bumper. I can't wait to install this thing. It's gonna look so good. What else comes? Primer. Adhesive promoter. Oh, okay. So use this to clean the car and then... Awesome. So, I guess the only thing left to do is throw it on the car, see how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna put them on just yet. I'm gonna mock them up first, see how they look, see if I actually like it. But I think I'm gonna like it. This looks awesome. It's extremely windy today, so excuse me for the noise, but let's see. Let's compare this carbon fiber weave to the roof. It is identical. Nice. So everything's gonna be matching. Let's see how it would look like real quick. Damn. Oh, look, there's Matt. Came out to help me out. I think that looks so badass with the carbon fiber now. I kind of like it without it as well, but I think I should run the carbon fiber for a little bit. I think I might get the grills to be carbon fiber as well. Oh. No! God, please, no! 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 No. But yeah, I'm happy that the weave matches. Here comes Matt. I thought I was recording the install, but my dumbass didn't press the record button. So this is what they look like. I think they look freaking banging. Definitely looks good. It's extremely cold today and windy, but driving this car already at 80 miles per hour and the canards are still on, or fangs, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I think I like them a lot. Definitely gives the front end a more aggressive look. You guys can see from right here, looks really good. I like it a lot. So honest opinion of these, for under 100 bucks, I would definitely get it. I mean, if I were you, I would get it. I already have it, but I definitely like them. They're nice. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is a really short video on the canards, but thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, I got more parts coming.